I sorted off this cow and her calf. She's one of the ones I bought last November. She was really skinny and she actually was pregnant when she got here, so I kept her around. I got rid of the other three, but this one here I kept around. But she's not exactly what I want. She's kind of crazy. She kind of carries her head pretty high, and so I'm gonna see if I can't get her going tomorrow. Put some money in my pocket and get rid of a crazy cow. That's never a bad thing, I don't think. And the rest of these, I just turned these out here not long ago, so they got pretty good grass out here. Some of it's kind of getting over mature, but they'll have some forage out there to eat for at least a little while. My favorite cow with her heifer calf. Getting my first winter cover crop planted. I got Leland to come over and put this in for me. I'm just doing 10 acres right now. Still got a decent amount of grass out here, but I'm gonna get it planted and let the sheep out here a few more days. Then I might mow it down. I know it's setting it down pretty good. I came over here and gonna do a little work trying to put some post holes in tonight, but I decided to go ahead and burn this off. It is just a little bit windy, but everything's pretty green, so got a little bit of fire going out around here, but I'll out in that with the skid steer. It burned all those pine needles real fast. And now for some pizza. Got 2 post holes dug. Fire's rolling good. It's burned down into a nice little pile. It's a beautiful end to the day. I think I got all my post holes dug that I needed for the woven wire paddocks. And of course I didn't video any of the digging, but hopefully I have them all in the right spots now. I'm ready to set some posts in. So this is the next morning. That big old pile burned up really well. Now I got just some little pieces of scrap out here that might try to kick a little bit of it together, but I think we're gonna end up cutting a few more trees down over here because this is where we want our fruit trees to go. So we'll probably end up taking most of those trees down eventually, and we'll probably throw them on the pile here again and reburn it then later. And today I'm going to try to set these corner posts, get rolling on that. We'll see how it goes. It's a beautiful morning out here this morning. First time I had to wear a jacket all year so far, or I guess since summer. Got it all on a nice little pile there. This thing's gonna burn up to nothing, which is great. I kind of forget what all I've talked to y'all about, but you can see the new well over there behind us. Got to get electric to that, and also just got some pricing on some pipe. Probably going to put in, I don't know, till the whole project's over, it's probably going to be 2,000 to 3,000 feet of pipe, and so it's going to be a lot of pipe work coming. Sackcrete, got water, and I set all those posts in the holes. I think there's 10 of them. There'll be 16-foot gate here, there, and up there, and then there'll be one more gate up there. So I'm gonna go grab a four-wheeler and grab some lunch. Then I'm gonna try to get all these things Sackcreted in, and we'll be let them set up. Then we'll be ready to start pulling some wire. Someone had a big morning. I got almost all the posts concreted in. Sonny, come. Hey, come. Now we're getting it cleaned up right up here at the opening, getting it mowed up. Trying to make sure we stay out of snakes. Doug's killed like 3 or 4 since hunting season. So we're just trying to clean up this front area a little bit. This afternoon here I took a couple hours and ran the skid steer with the grapple up here in this clump of trees up here. Pulled out a bunch of trees, some China berries and different small stuff that we didn't want anymore, and cleaned it up a little bit. I just went around here and picked up all the branches that were down, or most of them. And then I did scrape up a pile here. It's got some old scrap metal, some wood, some sticks and dirt and stuff. Just kind of put that all on a pile. Some bricks and blocks. It's all kinds of stuff. There used to be a house here, and so it's just kind of a bunch of junk from the house. Need to haul it off or do something with that, get it out of here. Then in here I took out some trees. There's a couple trees sprinkled right here on the edge right there where that tank was a tree. And just kind of tried to clean this stuff up in here a little bit. Also took 2 trees out right here. And then back here I took out quite a few China berries. Still not done, but getting it to start looking better anyway. I think that about wraps it up for today. Got a lot of stuff done, and I believe I got all my corner posts in. Got a lot of stuff cleaned up and mowed up over here. And there'll be some videos sprinkled in from a few other days this week, but yeah, we're finally able to spend 2 or 3 days out here on our property and getting some stuff done, so that's extremely exciting for us. So we'll keep working at it, keep plugging away. Thank y'all for watching. We'll see y'all next time.